If you want to remove Google search bar from your home screen on the Google Pixel 10 Pro, you can actually do this, but only if you are using different launcher from the Google Play Store. So you have to open Play Store, go for the search, tap at the search and input that phrase, Launcher Pixel, or you can also get some different launchers like Smart Launcher, Nova Launcher. I'm just showing you this one because it looks almost the same like the Google stock Android launcher. So you will have to just open this one. You have to click and hold on the empty space in the home screen, go to the home settings. Now you will have to scroll down for dock and make sure that you have basically unselect this switcher. So it will allows you to go without that Google search bar, but we have to make a change for default launcher. So you have to go into the settings, go for apps, select default apps, go for home application and make sure that you have select for the Pix launcher. Now the Google bar is gone. But of course you get some pop-up ads over here and sometimes it's stopping. So it's not the best way to actually get rid of it, but if you really hate it, then there's actually one thing that you can do. If you are not satisfied with the Pix launcher, you can try different ones. Like I mentioned below, just go to the Play Store and input launcher phrase at the top and test all of them. Maybe you will find maybe you will find that launcher that you really enjoy.